Hey guys, it's your girl Adan and I'm back with another video for you guys. So in this video, we're going to be trying to make a fall autumn kind of, no, it's not a glam, but it's something we're going to be doing to for a night out, and we're gonna be doing it with some purples for a night out. And it's not fancy, it's like something you would do if you were going to someone's house instead of a wedding or a party. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So guys, for this makeup look, we're going to be using the 24 hours waterproof Miss Rose eyeliner. You could also use a pen eyeliner, which I have over here. Oh wait, I have it over here. This. So I think I'm going to use this because this is it's very smudgy. So I think I'm going to go in with this one. So, sorry. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I'm just going to make, oh wait, I forgot to prime my lids, guys. Let me just quickly do that. Okay, I have this song stuck in my head. And comment down below if you're enjoying my looks and what you guys would like me to do, because well, I can do whatever you guys like because you guys are very special and close to my heart. So whatever you guys want, comment down below because I will 101% do that. Okay, fine, let's make it 110 if I have what you guys want. And what type of makeup looks do you guys like? Because I try to do makeup looks which I know that attract you guys, but other than that, comment down below what types of makeup looks you like. This is a very easy and simple makeup look. It takes less than a minute. I'm just gonna go in with my Rimmel Wonder Wing eyeliner / whatever it's called. It's basically the winged eyeliner. I'm just gonna make a fine line over here. So I know a lot of you guys like, what do you call it? A lot of you guys like gel eyeliner, but because I don't have a very precise brush to apply it, I have never experimented to apply it like actual winged eyeliner. I will experiment if I get a very, precision brush. Now I'm gonna go into this very hard, flat gel eyeliner brush. It's a stiff brush. And we're gonna go into first we're gonna go into this one. The Twilight Dust palette by Miss Rose, as usual, one of my more. This was, I think, my third palette I bought. Yeah. And we're going to go into the shade. We're gonna go in a mix of Nefertiti and Blazing, which is this one. Oh no, it's not that one, it's not that one. Wait, we're gonna go in a mix with Blazing and Nefertiti, which is this one. So I'm just gonna take it on this angled brush and tap off the excess. It's gonna want to smudge that. So you're basically trying to smudge this line. God, this isn't working. Wait. As I said, I have literally no experience with gel eyeliner lashes. But if you guys do, then kudos to that. Now we're gonna go into the Carmi X Revolution Make Magic palette, one of the most stunning palettes I own, which I was kindly gifted by someone very, very close to me. And I'm just gonna go into this purple kind of burgundy-ish kind of color. It's called You Do You, because you do you. Like, to all the girls out there, if you like something that other people don't, you do you. And it's gonna smudge that. You're gonna want to kind of wing it. You're gonna try and wing it gradually as you're smudging the eyeliner. Like back, and you're just gonna go back and forth through these colors like Neferati and Blazing. We're basically just softening the edges and, you know, making it into the smoky type of eyeliner, which I think is such a good makeup look for when you're going out with your friends, your gals, anywhere. And you want something that goes with the cold weather. And yeah. I'm gonna go in with a bit of Blazing Neferati. Neferiti. I don't know how you pronounce it. And I'm just gonna go in back with You Do You, and there we go. That is the eye. I know it's so pretty, pretty. We're gonna go in with the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Wow Wing mascara, because why not? It is such a good mascara. I never knew that it could do this much lengthening, but guess what? It can. I think because I always use the volume side, it's like a double-sided mascara. Wait. It has a volume and lengthening side. I never use the lengthening side. I always use the volume side. I know you have no idea why, but today when I use the lengthening side, by accident, I am digging it. I'm just gonna go on my lower lashes, and yeah. So I think that I'm gonna define my brow bone with a gold. Not gold. We're gonna go into this pink shimmery pearl kind of color called Oud from the Twilight Dusk palette. So I'm just gonna go back into this brush I was using. I'm just gonna go on my brow bone. Oh my god, it's not picking up much product. There you go. If you guys didn't know, I love pink. Like, not a lot of pink to the point where I can be like, oh, I'm gonna wear pink colors and stuff. No, never. That is the finished eye look. So I'll be right back. Let me do the other eye and I'll be right back with you guys. So guys, I quickly applied some lashes. I did the other eye, and oh my god, I am not gonna lie, these pop me out lashes are the best lashes I've ever gotten. And even on the side, it's written that these are the shape Anarkali, which are super duper pretty. They're so 3D and they're out of, like, they do not feel like plastic at all. So now we're gonna quickly, you know, go on with our normal routine, which is this concealer and concealer, blush on, highlighter, and a lip color. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this on my brush, and I'm gonna go in with this so that I get a good finish. Okay, it got on the wing, which I'm sure we can fix because the wing was so pretty. So now I think you guys know that it's like, a lot of you guys might think that it's weird, but I like to alternate between my thing. Like I use both. I use a foundation brush and a beauty blender when I am applying foundation. Please don't think it's weird, because I feel like it's better to use this when you're with your eyebrows and stuff, so that this doesn't get on your eyebrows. I think it's better to use this because it's faster on your cheeks. So please don't think it's weird. And yeah. But a lot of people think it's kind of weird. I don't really care. I just say that I do me. Like the shade that we just used that said you do you. I do me. So we quickly did that. I'm gonna quickly apply some concealer. I know that's weird. I'm singing "Pop Goes the Weasel." But it's just, I don't know. You know, you have flashbacks from your childhood. This is like that, but different. I don't know how different, but it's different. And again, I'm going under the face contour kit eyelashes and just applying the illuminizer underneath my eyes. Okay. Now on to the blush on. Oh my god, where's the thing that, oh wait, it's in here. So on to the blush on. We have the Miss Rose Mini Blush in shade 5 Margin. This is such a good light blush, so we're gonna use this. On the apple. Ooh, pigment. I think I applied a bit too much, but okay. I like to go heavy on the blush on sometimes. This may be the day I like to go heavy on the blush on. Ooh, okay, wait. So I've got this Rude Highlight Shimmer Trio. And we're gonna use this as highlighter. Oh my god. Come out! There we go, we got it out. So we have 3 very pretty shades. One of them broke. I'm not gonna show you because I don't want to split it off. So I'm gonna go into the shade. So there's a shade called Naughty, Brassy, and Pinky. So we're gonna go into the shade. Should we go to Naughty? We're gonna go into the shade Naughty, which is broken, but let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. That is Naughty. So we're gonna go into Naughty. And I'm gonna go into a fan brush because this used to be my favorite applicator for highlighter. But ooh! God, I applied it way too beneath. The highlighter is so pretty, but it's picking up a little bit of texture on my face. As you can see, it's picking up quite a bit of texture on my face. Oh well, there's the highlighter. It's silverish toned highlighter, I think. Yeah, it's silverish toned highlighter, and I like it. For the lip color, we're gonna go into the next lip cream, the next soft matte lip cream in the shade Stockholm, the perfect nude, and I love nudes. If you guys didn't know by now, I love nudes. Okay. I think that me and eyeshadows are best friend, not me and lipsticks, because they go everywhere. Now to add a little bit of gloss to our lips, we're going to go into the Double Dazzle lip gloss in the shade Pretty and Posh, because why not? Because this is matte, I'm gonna add some gloss. It has the slightest hint of tint. It feels like a lip oil. It is not, you know, the sticky type of lip glosses at all. Okay, so I'm gonna say something. I forgot to contour my face. So we are going to attempt to try and contour at least our jawline with our blush on. So I'm gonna go into medium contour. Okay, this is not gonna work. I think it's kind of working. And that is the finished makeup look. So this is perfect for fall or for anything in general. If you're going, this is perfect for winters because I love winter makeup looks that are super duper elegant yet you know, elegant yet graceful for winters and when I go out at night. So this is a really good color compliment. And of course my favorite lashes. I'm gonna be purchasing more of these Pop Me Out lashes because they are just stunning. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look. I know that I winged it out a little bit, but I hope, and I would love to see your recreations. You know, if you ever recreate one of my makeup looks, if you tag me on Instagram, which is at LiveWithAdan, and the capital L, a capital W, and a capital A, I will for sure check it out. And yeah, so if you guys ever recreate any of my looks, please tag me in your posts and I will definitely check them out. Other than that, this is the makeup look. I love the lash. Oh my god, I keep on bragging about the lashes. The lashes are so pretty. Okay, so don't forget to comment down below what else looks you'd like and any challenges. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Until next time, bye.